Right, Paul, how you getting on? I'm here to record the hearing test. I'm here. You need to turn that music down. I'm here to record the next hearing test because I got one. So I'm here to record the hearing test.
Smear test. I don't do smear test, boy. No.
No, I'm not here for a smear test. The hearing test. I'm here to record the hearing test. I'm here to record the hearing test. The hearing test. What's wrong with you? I'm here to do the hearing test.
Oh, the hearing test. Why didn't you just say? Get on with it.
I came in and I've said...
Come on, that's all day.
Okay. Right. So last time round it was the clipboard clipping. This time round, it's this. Ooh. Who'd have thought it was a box of staples being shaken, shaped?
Are you going to do the sound or what?
I've done it.